Hello everyone, Chef Marisa Canzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today we're going to be preparing Carciofini Ripieni, which is baby stuffed artichoke. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. As you can see, I wiggle it and kind of open the entire artichoke for me to put the stuffing in easily later on. I'm going to begin to make the stuffing and just dump everything in here. Well, Jana, my little assistant, she's going to crack the eggs. Okay, baby? You can see the stuffing is made. They're ready to boil. I'm going to lower to a simmer and cover them, and they should be perfect. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. Et bon appétit!